How to use ComIDP Intelligent Document Parsing tool. Begin by navigating to the ComIDP Demo Center page. Locate the Intelligent Document Parsing section on the page and click Try Demo to enter the online demo interface. On the right side, you will find sample files along with example parsing results, giving you a clear overview of how the tool works. If you're working with scanned documents, please enable OCR in the settings and select the language that matches your document to ensure more accurate results. Click the Upload Your File button to upload your document. After uploading, wait a few seconds for the system to process the file. The parsed results will be displayed on the right side in either JSON format or TXT format. You can click Download and choose the desired format to meet your subsequent processing or usage needs. Key advantages of Intelligent Document Parsing. The ComIDP Intelligent Document Parsing tool automatically processes and understands content from documents and images, converting unstructured and semi-structured data into structured formats. This makes it an ideal data source for downstream applications. Up to 98% accuracy rate, powerful table recognition capabilities, supports recognition of over 24 types of labeled elements, compatible with both scanned and regular documents, preserves the original reading order and logical structure of the document. That's all. See you next time.